Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2013 Ford Taurus and I will show you how you can change your door keypad code. This video applies to Ford Tauruses made from 2013 all the way up to 2019. Okay, so to start you go under the settings and then press on the vehicle. And here's the option door keypad code, press onto that. And now, like it says, in order to add the keypad code, first enter the factory code. Now I made the video already how to find the factory code, but I will do it one more time in this video, so in case you don't know it, you know where to and how to find it. So you usually get the factory code on a small key card, size of a business card. It's a 5-digit number. Now if you've lost it or you don't have it, I will show you where to find it. So just open the driver door. And I will show you the location of it. I'll try to turn on the flash on my phone so you can see it better. It's just here underneath, on top of the fuse box. Okay, you should see it now. It's 52058. That's my factory code, and you'll find yours at the same location. Okay, once you have the factory code, you can type it in. So now there is an option, you can add a new code or erase the existing code. So we will add the new code here, and pretty much I can enter the new code now. And that's it. This is how you can add a new code. Okay, one thing to mention, you can always delete the previously generated user codes, but you can never delete the factory code. So that factory code that I showed you will always be active, so don't forget it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.